At about 2 hours drive from Indore, Maheshwar is a little gem which is yet to find its well-deserved place on the tourist map of Madhya Pradesh. A heady mix of history, culture and religion, this quaint little town by the Narmada does not give an indication that it was a center of power in central India just a couple of centuries ago. Known as Mahishmati in the ancient times, Maheshwar served as the capital of the Holkars and is especially remarkable for being the Karmabhumi of the Saint Queen Ahilyabai Holkar. After the death of Malharrao Holkar in 1766, Ahilyabai took control of the kingdom with the support of the Peshwas and the Holkar army. Ahilyabai ruled for 30 years and ushered in what is called the golden era of the Holkars. During her reign, villages and towns flourished. There was peace and art and culture prospered. Though Indore was the engine of the empire, she chose Maheshwar as her seat and continued to rule from here until her death. Considered one of the prettiest forts in India, the Maheshwar fort is a lot like Ahilyabai herself, delicate from outside and tough like a rock from inside. This 18th century fort houses a number of royal residences, a heritage hotel, temples, a handloom factory, and some shops and restaurants. An amalgamation of Maratha, Rajput, and Mughal architecture, the arches and walls of this fort have frescoes that tell many stories, from mythology to battles and to everyday lives of the people. We were told that most of the designs of the famous Maheshwari saris is inspired by the detailings of this fort. The imprints of Ahilyabai are everywhere in Maheshwar, be it its majestic fort and palace, the ghats, or the numerous temples and monastic orders that were nurtured in her reign. She is omnipresent in the town, the guardian angel of Maheshwar, revered as a goddess. The picturesque ghats of Maheshwar remind us of Varanasi. Built in stone and dotted with small temples and chhatris, the beauty of this ghat reaches its crescendo at the end where they lead us to the fort. Lined with devotees, pandits and tourists, the ghats were fluttering with activity all through the day. The ghat looks the most beautiful from a boat during the morning hours, the sun's rays making it glow. In the evenings, when the crowds thin, one can just sit there and watch the Narmada flow by, while the air resonates with the sound of temple bells and prayers. Sahasradhara literally means 1,000 streams. The river Narmada flows over a rocky patch, breaking its flow and thus forming numerous small waterfalls. One can take a boat till this place, walk for a while on extremely rocky ground, and watch the beauty of the cascading river. This is a great place for bird watchers as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. Do plan to visit this historical gem during your next trip to Madhya Pradesh.